Hi, welcome to lesson 25 of Excel. Alright, and my name is Sophie, and we are going to learn more about Excel now. So, in the previous session, what we've covered was mainly in the margins and orientation command. Now, we are going to learn more about the print titles. Now, print title is a very interesting command, okay, in which it enables you to repeat a certain row on top of every page. So, for example, let's say if you would like the word expenses to be repeated on the top of every page here, okay, without you typing in the word expenses, that is what we call print titles. It repeats on top of every page. So, how do we actually do the print titles? So, first things first, in order to do the print titles, we need to go straight to page layout. After page layout, we go to print titles. Now, after we go to print titles, now you notice it as the word rows to repeat at top. Follow this horizontally, click on the red arrow. Now, once that's done, alright, where do I click next? The word that has expenses, right? So what row is that? Row 3. Now, click on the row number. Once we click on the row number, what do you notice? That automatically highlighted area is there. Okay, now once that's done, where do I click next? On the drop down red arrow here. Now once you see the drop down arrow, you notice that it expanded to its original size. And last but not least, what do I do to confirm? Just click OK. Now, so how do you know whether we have done it correctly? So this is where we scroll down. We click on an next page. Ta-da! Do you see this is exactly what you see in row 3? And on top here is not a specific row, but basically it's a default row where you need to click on for the print titles. Now let's try another row. Okay? Now, so let's say if I would like to have row 7 to repeat on top of every page. Means that I would like to see the word marketing 99 sheet 2 chart 2 on the second page here. So how do I go about it? Now, first things first, anything to do with the chart, anything to do with page print titles, we do not need to click the row number first. We need to straight away go to page layout first. Now, after page layout, where do I go? Print titles. Very good. Now, so where do I go next? Rows to repeat at top. Follow this horizontally. Click on the red arrow. Now, so I understand that you have already selected a previous row before this. Now, but which row are they specifically asking for right now? They're asking for row 7. So I click on row 7. You notice there are dotted line all over. And what do you see here? $sign to $sign, right? $7 to $7. Now, once that's done, I click on the red arrow below here. Okay. Now, then what do you notice here? Straight away, once this is done, I click on OK. Now, once I click on OK, scroll down. Alright. Click on the second page. Ta-da! Do you see marketing in 99 sheet 2 chart 2? So this means that you have selected row 7 to be repeated on top of every page. You see? Any page would do, whether you go vertically, horizontally. It just works for vertically, not horizontally. Okay, so this is specifically useful for certain companies who make use of large data. Yeah. Okay, so again, just make sure you do not click on the row at the beginning. Straight away go to page layout. Straight away go to print titles. Focus on rows to repeat at top. Click on the red arrow, choose whichever row you want, drop down list, click OK. Yeah? Alright, so that's about it. Hope you understand and enjoy it. And thank you for watching.